If, like me, your kids are enjoying using the hot tub on a roasting hot summer's day this year, you might be feeling a bit bad about pouring 1,000 litres of water just down the drain, or in my case, out the plug hole into the bottom underneath the hot tub. So I fixed that by using this butt pump, this water butt pump, which is better than a normal pump because it actually has an attachment for a hose on the end of it, whereas all the other pumps need really big hose pipes connecting to them and don't come with the hose, or don't have the connections, and so wouldn't really work to water your garden. But with this one, as you can see, I can attach my sprinkler to the end of it, and I can water our garden guilt-free. Obviously I still couldn't do this in a hose pipe ban if I'd filled up the hot tub from a hose originally, although if you'd filled it up, for example, by a tap over it, you could do. And that's another consideration for the future. If you want to be able to use the hot tub, still put a tap over it. But for the moment, this is absolutely dreamy. Here it is, and I shall put a link to it in the description. It's a butt water pump, 400 watts Hawksmoor from Toolstation, and it can pump out 66 litres a minute. The water can be a bit dirty but not filthy. It's not meant for pumping out sewers or foundations or anything like that. It's mainly meant to run to drain your water butt in your garden and use it with the hose. But in this case it works absolutely perfectly to drain the hot tub, and as you can see there, it is going down there. The water's coming out the hose. I could equally attach my normal hose attachment. I have done, and that squirts out quite nicely as well, and then I can water our roses and all the other garden with the use of my hot tub water. The other thing is to mention is not to add chlorine for a couple of days before you do this. So I went 2 days without chlorine, and that made the levels go down safe enough that they're not going to upset the grass. You don't want to kill your grass with chlorine, do you? Obviously chlorine's job is to kill alive things. So doing that, connecting that up, it was ever so easy. Just plugged it in to a main socket, made sure that float was upright to start with, and that's it. It's watering the garden using the sprinkler, which is really, really cool. And I'm not wasting 1,000 litres of water anymore. The other thing worth mentioning is this can only run for an hour at a time. Maybe they're doing that because it might have warm water in it, I don't know. But I stopped after 40 minutes, gave it a 10-minute rest, and then repositioned my sprinkler, and then started up again, so as to make sure it doesn't break. Comes with a 2-year warranty. The other trick with these hot tubs, by the way, is that the cheapest way to fill them is to drain them and refill them from the gas boiler. Unless you're using them every day, if you've got a combi boiler, it's much cheaper just to empty it all out and fill it back up with hot water again, because keeping it hot for 24 hours is really expensive. Or if you just want to warm it back up again a day later or so, just drain half of it out and fill it back up with tap water. That's much cheaper than keeping it heated by electricity. That's my tips for today. But the main one is not to waste the water anymore. You can use this absolutely perfect butt pump. Thank you for listening. So like and subscribe.